Hey everybody, how you guys doing? This is your man, Coach JD Olsen, right here in Kishi Dojo Martial Arts Unleashed. And of course, I'm coming at you from the Martial Art Unlimited Association YouTube channel. And so what I have for you guys today is 5 of the common mistakes that new kickboxers make. Let's go ahead and jump right into this. We have our kickboxing bag right here. I'm using my Century Wavemaster bag. And again, if you're looking for one of these or you want to link it, I'll put a link in the description box below so you can go ahead and get one for yourself. But let's talk about common mistakes that brand new kickboxers make. So my hands are up right out the gate. And a lot of people have no problem with that. They get their hands up and they get ready and they do their punches and whatever. But what happens right out the gate, the very first thing I see a lot of people do is they throw a punch and then they drop their hand to their leg. So they're throwing punches and they're going like that. And so if you were going to pretend, or if you're not going to pretend, if you are planning on sparring, this is going to get you hurt, okay? When you throw your punches, make sure they're coming back to your face, to your cheeks. I personally like to have my hands just like this. I put my knuckles right on this little bone right here, and I do just like so. So when I throw that jab, or when I throw that cross, they come right back to my cheeks. They don't drop, okay? Don't do that, but fire it and come back. All right, that's your first and most common mistake I see is just that. The second is going to be over punching. So people like to throw really hard, and then even when they're throwing like a cross, so if I throw a cross, you got to remember crosses are straight punches, not hooks. So you don't throw a cross all the way across your body. They throw out straight, kind of like a pop. So think about just kind of popping it right into the target. Jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. Okay? That's your second most common mistake, is just kind of throwing so much behind the punch that you can't help but lose your balance or even get it just to throw all the way through. All right. My third common mistake is when it comes to kicking. Okay? We're going to do 2 different types of kicks for this. The first one is going to be like a front kick, and the second is going to be like a round kick. So if you throw the front kick, try not to throw your hands down or back. Like, don't do that kind of motion. Keep your hands up, throw your kick. If you want to snap it, that's fine. If you want to thrust it, that's fine. You see I'm still using my hands, I'm still pulling them in, but they're not going down behind me. Because again, what if you miss? Think about in sparring, if I threw my hands, my jaw's wide open. All right? So don't do that. And it's the same idea when it comes to round kicks. Don't throw your hand by your butt. Okay? I did a seminar with Ajahn Chai a few years ago, and what he had us do is you wipe across the eye line. That way you still get that hip motion, but you're not lowering your hand. You're not doing this. You're wiping it across the eye. All right? So that is your, I believe, your third most common mistake. And 3 and 4, I should say, is throwing your hands down for that kick and throwing your hands down for that kick. And then finally, I want to talk about, this is important for my kickers, and I'm gonna hone in on this for a couple seconds, is brand new people. I'm focusing on my knee right now. I'm trying to show you my knee and my foot. Again, a big common mistake I see is people leave this foot pointed the same direction and they just throw the kick just like so. That foot never rotates. When you throw these round kicks, let that back foot roll. See that? Otherwise, what's going to happen is you're going to kick and that knee is going to get torqued. And I got one last one. This is kind of a bonus thing. And so again, looking at throwing that round kick, a lot of beginner people, when they kick, they're kicking with the side of their foot. And you got to roll your hip over, use the top of your foot. Roll that hip over. Don't kick like this. First of all, this foot's not turning, so I'm going to hurt my knee. Second, this isn't the actual kick because it's just that. You want to rotate. You can even hear the audible difference. There's that, there's that. So there you have it. couple mistakes the average new kickboxer makes. I gave you an extra one, so I gave you 6 instead of 5. But the first 5 are the most common. If you want to put the dropping your hands when you're kicking as 1, that's cool. So remember, first things first, keep your hands up. Don't drop your hands when you're throwing your punches. Second, straight punches go right down the pipe. Don't throw them wide. Third, keep your hands up when you front kick and when you round kick. And then last but not least, make sure you're rotating that leg. When you're kicking, don't just try to keep your knee pointed and then like, oh, like that one right there, I can feel on my knee. And then again, you could just you don't want to hit with the side of your foot for round kicks. The bonus technique, you actually want to roll that leg over and force that kick.